Alright, it's another cold morning, another project to get done. Tim's on his way here, and if you guys remember, if you've seen, but check out the old video, we put a front bumper from OEDRO, and there's Tim right now, look at that. Perfect timing. So, we got the front bumper. The last time you saw it, it didn't have wheels and tires, but they finally put those Anthem wheels on. But anyways, we now have a rear bumper with a tire carrier that we got from OEDRO, same company that we're going to be throwing on today. Alright, so when we first started this build, we got reached out to by OEDRO to do this front bumper, and we liked it. It was pretty decent quality for the price point. Since then, Tim has put his Anthem off-road wheels and tires, which you can check out TRAILBUILT or custom offsets to get yourself a set, along with some TA KO2s by BFG. But they reached out to us again, and we decided to work with them because we liked this rear bumper. Oh, look, a stray cat. What's up, Sprinkles? But a couple things now that we're getting to the point of wrapping it up. There's no place for a license plate. Nowhere to mount it. Didn't come with the kit. We did find an option that kind of bolts up here. So we'll link that in the description. So negative number one. There's no plate that covers this up, so it kind of looks dirty. So another thing that we're going to look at getting, or Tim's going to look at getting, is a plate to cover that area. Also, no third brake light mount and no backup camera. So those are all kind of the negatives. Positives is, I mean, I think it looks pretty good, and it matches the front bumper that got put on there, and this seems decently robust as far as a swing gate. This should be covered.
General construction looks decent. The base bumper itself actually looks pretty good. Lines up well.
Not a difficult install.
It does come with a trailer hitch, which no Jeep, unless you order it with it, comes with one. That's a good addition to have. Once we get to this tire carrier though, there's a little bit left to be desired. It's very shaky, and some of the components are a little bit torqued, leaving lips, which, you know, for a budget bumper, I think that this is a good start. If you expect it to be perfect, you need to lower your expectations.
Yeah, I mean, whenever you're in this price point of product, you can't expect it to be, you know, bulletproof, but it's a good foundation. And I think if you bought this and you own a welder, you can clean it up really well and make it work out really well for you. I don't know, decent product for the price, but if those things are deal breakers for you, you're gonna need to spend that higher dollar money for it.
Yep.
So
included in the video link, we will be putting up a plate that has provisions to mount things, just so that way if you do go to order this through our channel,
you got that option.
You've got a complete kit and you're not left stranded.
Yep, so that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching another episode of Caswell Customs. I'm Vinny,
Tim?
Paul. We'll see you in the next one.